Here at Rapid, we're all about data. From your centralized dashboard, you can quickly view your company's critical safety and compliance data. Today, I'll show you how to create, schedule, and edit real-time reports like never before. Let's get started. This is the dashboard that allows you to see crucial information about the compliance status of your workforce at a glance. But let's say you need a comprehensive report to check the compliance of your contractors. Let's dive in. Firstly, navigate to the Reports tab. You will see the New Reports page, which is where you can use filters to create customized reports, as well as set how often you'd like the report generated and shared with your team. Using the filters on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you can filter previous reports by choosing from a list of report types and the frequency at which the reports are being generated. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, you will see two buttons: Generated Reports and Report Setup. Let's create a contractor management report so you can review the compliance status of your contractor workforce. The first step is to select Schedule New Report. Secondly, the report type you'd like to generate. We have a range of different reports to select from. The most commonly used reports are the Contractor Management Report, the Rapid Access Entry Report, and the Trainee Report. Once you've selected the Contractor Management Report, you have the option to type in a new name for the report. Now we'll set up how often you'd like this report generated. There are 4 frequency options: once off, daily, weekly, and monthly. Once you have selected the frequency, you can select the day and time you'd like the report generated. Then select Next. The first drop-down includes a list of the default fields included within the report. If you would like to exclude any fields, simply untick them from the list. The same applies for each of the fields below. Simply click on the drop-down to view and select the filters you would like included or excluded in your report, and press Generate Report. You'll be notified by email as soon as your report is available to download. This is based on the schedule you have set. Once the report is ready to be downloaded, it will be under the Generated Reports icon. The last thing we'll cover today is how to edit an existing scheduled report. Simply navigate to the Report Setup icon. Here, you can see the report we have just generated. This page also shows you the frequency each report is set up to, including the time and day. To edit the existing report, select the pencil icon on the right-hand side. This allows you to edit the frequency of the report and alter the filters, so you can really drill down to access the data you need in just a few clicks. And to delete a scheduled report, simply select the bin icon on the reporting dashboard. So there you have it. Whether you're creating real-time reports to manage your contractors, monitor site access, or check the training status of your inductees, Rapid Global will revolutionize the way your team handles reporting to improve workplace safety, compliance, and risk management in your organization. Click to subscribe to our channel and visit Rapid Support Centre for more helpful tutorials and guides.